natural flowing script for your YouTube channel. Export car. About the 2025 Hyundai Excel. Around 460 words, divided into 4 paragraphs without any headings or brackets. Welcome back to Export Car, your #1 destination for the latest car reviews and insights. Today we are excited to introduce you to the brand new 2025 Hyundai Excel, a car that perfectly blends modern design, smart technology, and exceptional value. Hyundai has taken a bold step forward with the Excel, offering a sleek exterior, improved performance, and cutting-edge features, all while maintaining the affordability that made previous models so popular. Whether you are a daily commuter, a first-time buyer, or someone looking for a reliable upgrade, the 2025 Hyundai Excel is designed to meet a wide range of needs. The exterior of the new Excel showcases Hyundai's evolving design language, featuring a more aggressive front grille, sharp LED headlights, and smooth, aerodynamic lines that give it a premium feel. The updated body structure is not just about looks, it also improves fuel efficiency and stability on the road. Hyundai offers the 2025 Excel in several vibrant colors, and the new alloy wheel designs add an extra touch of style. Overall, the Excel looks more mature and upscale than ever before, making it a standout in the compact car segment. Even when compared to more expensive rivals, the Excel holds its own with impressive curb appeal. Inside the cabin, Hyundai has stepped up the game with quality materials, an intuitive layout, and a host of new technology features. The centerpiece of the interior is the 10.25-inch touchscreen infotainment system, compatible with both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Comfort is a priority here, with supportive seats, generous headroom, and plenty of rear legroom for passengers. The 2025 Excel also offers a suite of safety features, including lane keeping assist, forward collision warning, and adaptive cruise control, making it not just a stylish ride but also a smart and safe one. Hyundai's commitment to providing advanced tech at an affordable price is clearly on display here. Under the hood, the 2025 Hyundai Excel comes equipped with a refined 2.0-liter engine delivering a balanced mix of power and fuel efficiency. The ride quality is smooth, steering is responsive, and handling feels secure even at higher speeds. Whether you are navigating busy city streets or cruising on the highway, the Excel provides a confident and comfortable drive. Combined with Hyundai's impressive warranty coverage, the Excel offers long-term peace of mind.